Digital discipleship. Mark 16 verse 15 says, "Go into all the world and preach the gospel to all creation." With social media and technology at our fingertips, believers are called to use these tools to share Christ. Hindi create ni God yung technology sa time na time ng mga disciples, sa time sa New Testament, even sa time ni Jesus. Pero napalaganap, na-spread pa rin nila yung word ni God, even without those technology. Ngayon, meron tayong mga gadgets, laptops, cell phones, and now it's easier and faster to send messages all over the world. But also, ito rin yung technology na pwede rin tayong mag-struggle spiritually and can even lead us to many other sins. But hindi create ni God tong technology para sa ating selfish gain or self-satisfaction or enjoyment. I believe God has given us the technology so that we can reach more people in faster way and in different creative ways. How can you use your digital platforms to glorify God? Sabi nga ni Carl Henry, the gospel is only good news if it gets there in time.